We on?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're going to take you through a shoulder workout and how to bring up a lagging body part. So for me, shoulders is a real weak point, and the key to bringing them up is intensity and also training the muscle correctly and putting the tension on the muscle. So very importantly, I have like internal rotation on my left side of my shoulder, it's tight. So initially I'm making sure that I loosen everything up, doing a kettlebell bottom under press, trying to get mobility and everything fired up, stretching, and then using this, which looks like a sex toy, it's actually a massage gun. So like that through the pec, taking the arm through a range of motion, and now talk funny, helps to loosen out all the muscles in there. So when I actually come to train, my posture is better, and I'm actually putting the load in the right place in my shoulder, and not being hunched in. So I'm trying to loosen out this pec, so my shoulder sits back slightly more, so now I put the load in the right place. So today, in terms of intensity, to make sure my shoulders get growing, we've got big Rob Cannon blast us through a shoulder workout here, muscle work. So I'm gonna get myself warmed up and then we'll get into the workout.
Very 12. And we'll have 15 minutes your working set.
What's the first one?
So this is, we're going to start with a giant set for the side delts. It's actually my favourite side delt workout that I do. It's 4 exercises in a row. We start off with a normal side lateral, 15 reps. Then we go into a top half side lateral raise. Then we go into a real heavy partial lower side lateral raise to hit the bottom area. And then we finish off with a 90-degree bent arm side lateral raise. So it just hits different areas of that side lateral head, different stimulus, going from good medium weight through to a lightweight, heavyweight, and then back onto a lightweight. So it's 15 reps per exercise, so that's a 60 rep set. And we're going to do that 4 times over.
Shit.
Normal, 15
partials.
normal, then you go here, 15
heavy.
arms straight, pull the shoulders back slightly, and then keep it moving. So arms straight, don't let the dumbbells touch your thighs, back onto them, then like the machine shoulder raise. Here we go. Good mate, come on. 3, 4, 5, good, strong.
Top partials, yeah?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. 2, 3, awesome. 4. There we go.
Jesus Christ.
Straight, shoulders back. Pull the muscle further back. 3, there. 4, that's it. 5. Good. 10, perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 more mate. Good, and down. 3, good. 4, awesome. Here we go. 5, let it stop. 7, good. 8, 9, 5 more. 1 more. Fuck.
Jesus Christ. It's good. Alright, so this first giant set done. I feel pretty deathly already, I'm really sweating. I literally got to the point with like about 4 kilo dumbbells where I couldn't lift my arms up. I was like a fucking child. And I can feel my back, my rear delts there, where I'm weak. It's literally pumped full of blood. So that little one at the end, like replicating the machine shoulder raise, is banging. So that's a Rob Cannon classic, I think. So I think we're going to a pressing movement now, which after doing 4 giant sets is going to be interesting. So again, I don't think we'll be using a massive amount of load, but it'll be fucking intense, I promise you that.
This is roll, you're coming up, roll, press,
Well, I do have a feeling that roll was going to be the worst thing in the world. Oh, yeah. When your shoulder chapter already.
Yeah, that's going from the shoulder press dumbbell, shoulder press heavy, 10 to 12 reps, and then straight into light. It's going to have to be light. Come up slowly in the upright row, roll the bar around. It's nice slow press, control back down, and then you're rolling it, the bar back down. So there's no fast, sudden, jerky movements. It's all control. But by that point, your shoulders are on fire already from the dumbbell press. So this is just gonna finish them off. Okay, here we go. Let's go. 1, 2, solid, good. 3, 4, good job. Come on, mate. 5, 6, there we go. 7, good. 8, 9, good. Come on. 2 more. Power. 1 more. All you. Drive. All you. Good.
Like 4 seconds up, 4 seconds down.
Higher before you roll it. Okay, now roll. You've got to bring the elbows biceps. So come up, all the way, higher. Roll, better. Press, back down to the chin. Roll the elbows back. That was bicep. Using bicep there. It's the opposite. Come up. Too much bicep. Come down. Now roll the elbows up. Using bicep, mate. Can I show you?
Yeah. Do we come out wide?
So you come up as high as you can, elbows as high as you can, roll.
So as low as you can almost.
Yeah, and then same back down. Come back down to just below the chin, and then you're rolling the elbows back. So you
think about a rotation at the elbow rather than.
Yeah, you kind of get into there, and then you.
Like elbow coming back rather than.
Don't use any bicep at all. All in the shoulder. Perfect, good. Chin and roll. Much better. Perfect. All good. Awesome job. There we go.
It's that twist motion. I always feel like that rear delts and everything, like the whole head of the shoulders you rotate, like the fires. Initially I was just trying to, you can actually go for your strongest movement, but that rotation.
Start using a bicep.
I feel the whole back of my shoulder there, firing, controlling it.
Good, mate. 5 on that.
So I've done this rear delt superset with Rob before. It's fucking brutal. This machine is phenomenal. This machine bench to keep your upper body stable, so you can literally lock on your rear delt. So you can thicken that rear delt up there and make your upper body look so much bigger. So you want to try this at home, kids. You start in the row and then go dumbbells.
Yeah, reverse fly. Reverse fly into
Row the elbows from wide.
Row into reverse fly. Yeah.
Keep elbows wide and forward to keep on your weird place.
Yeah, and pulling that bar to your eyes. Yeah.
Reps?
15. 8, come on, higher, 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 9, power, 10, 2, 3, just drop it on the floor, 4, okay, good.
Pass out. My left hand's got numb. 5, 7, 8. Come on. 9. Good. 10. 2 more. 1 more. And again. Let's go. Good. Four, 5, 6, good, come on. 7, and again, come on. 8, let's go, complete up time. 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, and okay, 5 reps. 3, 4, okay, hold squeeze, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1 more. Okay, so session wrapped up back in Cassidy Johnson, so that was a pretty savage shoulder session. We started with a giant set, which was 4 variations of lateral raise, so going through full range, top partials, and then heavy bottom range, and then replicating like a machine lateral raise. And by the end, my shoulders were absolutely cooked. We then went into a dumbbell press seated into like a clean and press. And the rotation on that clean and press was literally just destroying my fucking shoulders. The bar was only like 20 kilos, and by the end of it I was literally shaking horrendously trying to do that, and that was a completely new movement for me. Like my rear delts are quite weak in terms of rotation, so I found that pretty savage. We then went in and did a superset tricep on the Arsenal strength bench, doing like a rear delt dumbbell raise into a almost like a face pull high row. Which again, the big tip I'd say on the high row is to make sure you keep your elbows forward to try and keep it on your delt. If you let your elbows drop back, you can end up pulling with your back more. So that worked really well, and that supported the bench, keeps you very stable. From that, we then went into doing a cable front raise into a barbell straight raise. I tried to find a lighter barbell. There wasn't any. We had the lightest barbell in there, and we were failing at like 6 reps, just doing the top end partials. So the cable we was doing the bottom end, with the barbell we was doing the top end, and then we finished up with a little bit more isolation work for chest, just to add a little bit more frequency and volume over the week. So that was a banging workout. Moral of the story is, if you want to try and bring up a lagging body part, intensity is the key, and getting someone to really push you and push you and push you through the session. So having someone like Rob absolutely hammer you makes a big difference in like forcing your physique to have to grow, because you're putting an extra 10% into the intensity, your body has no choice but to grow. So that being said, of course, a lot of damage, so then you need to put in fuel to repair it. So I'm going in for post-workout meal, 160 grams of chicken, and then it's so good that the cat wants to get involved. That's Ronnie. And then long grain white rice. So I was just saying to Mike, I've actually reduced my post-workout carbs a little bit. So my post-workout meal, I'm having slightly less food, and then my post-workout meal, I'm having a bigger portion of carbs from oats, which is probably my favourite food at the moment, because it's winter and it's stodgy. So this is a video on how to build bigger delts, how to build up a bigger focus on weaker body parts. Let me know what you think. I'll put the whole workout in the summary below so you guys can give it a try. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like on the video, and let us know what you think.